we are looking for partners to improve the on-farm cleaning and sanitation. And I'm going to be talking about this from turkey perspective, but this really applies to all the animal agriculture just as well. And the bottom line is that all the livestock barns need to be cleaned really well, and that's really critical for the animal welfare, animal health, food safety, and that means that the farmers are always looking for better ways of cleaning, and also these days we require that the solutions are environmentally sustainable as well. And here's the dirt. I wanted to bring you some snapshots to the challenge, and I intentionally selected pictures from some of our oldest barns. You can see there are still some, we are dealing with some surfaces like wood and untreated concrete. They're very porous, very difficult to clean. Also, we need to regularly be able to clean all the feeding and drinking equipment, including the pipelines leading to them. So we have plenty of challenges there. And while our newer construction barns are much better built for keeping in mind easiness of cleaning, we can't replace them all at once, and we're still going to be dealing with these older style barns for a number of years before we get there. The potential solutions really are pretty simple. New chemicals that work better, and it could be also new application methods for existing chemicals or new chemicals, or also the solution could include development of coating material to make those hard to clean, porous surfaces easier to clean, or most likely the best solution would be a combination of all of these. And also ideal solution would be efficient enough not to hinder the current operations. Just for example, nowadays the best time to do the best thorough clean of the livestock barn or bird barns is between the flocks, and that time window is fairly limited. And for operational efficiency, we need to try to keep things the same or improve them from that perspective as well. And what we are not interested in are environmentally unsound solutions, as well as, of course, everything needs to be livestock safe. And for users, the solutions should be easy to apply and safe to apply for people as well. So that's my story, and I will be happy to answer any questions